Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will basically introduce to a new API which is used to compress images. Specifically we will be using it inside Node.js. So the name of the library is Tinify API. So you can just search this official website is tinypng.com and they offer a developer API where you can programmatically reduce the size of images. So it's a very best website for reducing the size. It do cost money, but for a trial they offer 500 request. So if you go to my account details, you just need to sign up on this website, and inside your account per month you can make 500 free compressions per month. So you can see that 500 free compressions, and after that you just need to upgrade to their paid plan. But I think this is quite a good library, or sorry, API. And here there is an option here to add an API key. So once you click this, now this will be your API key. Simply need to copy this, and right here there is a module in Node.js. For every language they offer a module, but specifically for Node.js we will talk about. So this is a module which is Tinify. We will install this module first of all, and this is an actual client library to work with Tinify API. So command is very simple. You need to install this module npm I tinify fy Tinify. So once this module is installed, you will be able to make API requests to the endpoint and compress your images. It works both for PNG and JPG. So I think specifically, yeah, it will automate WebP images you can use. You can even use JPG images or PNG images as well. So all the images are supported. So you can, after you install this guys, we now need to, let me just copy this and tell you step by step. So first of all guys, after you install this library, we need to require this package which is Tinify, and then we need to also have the file system module. So we need to require this to save the image, and Tinify we need to set this. There is a key parameter, and here you need to set your API key. So inside your dashboard, whatever API key that you got, and simply copy this, copy to clipboard and paste your API key. So now I will delete this API key after the video guys, so don't use my API key. So input image path, let me take my image profile.jpg. I am taking this image here. Need to compress this. We will see the size difference after we execute the script. So we also need to provide the output file path. So let me compress.jpg. So after that, now we need to compress this image. So we will use this Tinify. It contains a method. Either you can compress it from URL, or you can compress it from a local file or from a base64 or buffer. I will use this method. I need to pass a actual file which is input image path, and then we need to convert this into a actual output file. So here we will provide the output file path, and this returns a callback function, and once it is completed we can basically check if any sort of error take place. In that case we can console log the error, and in the else block we can basically console log image compressed. That's all. So this is very simple guys. You just need to set the API key, just make these calls, two calls to the function, take the input image, make the output image, and then inside this console log the message. And now as I execute the script here, node index.js, so you will see it will take some time, and now you can see the message image compressed, and we got this image compressed.jpg. So let me see the size difference, how much it has reduced. So you will see basically this is the thing, 145 kilobytes was the original size, and it got reduced to 115 kilobytes. So there is quite a good compression. You can try out for different images. different PNG images or JPG images, WebP images. So this is the dashboard. If I refresh now, I had hit one, and you will see that one compression done, and current remaining is included in PAN is 500. So my monthly compressions are 500. I already made one compression request. So this is our API, and there are free libraries also available in JavaScript and Node.js to compress images. So you can try out this API also. If you like it, then please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.